Lesson 4. How often do you wash your hands? Let's review. How often do you? What is this? How often do you? Write it down. How often do you? How often do you brush your teeth? Brush your teeth. How often do you brush your teeth? 1, 2, day. How often do you brush your teeth? 1, 2, day. Two times a day. 2 times a day. How often do you brush your teeth? 2 times a day. Next. How often do you? What is this? How often do you? Wash your hands. How often do you wash your hands? How often do you wash your hands? 1, 2, 3, day. How often do you wash your hands? 1, 2, 3, day. Three times a day. How often do you wash your hands? 3 times a day. 3 times a day. Next. How often do you? What is this? How often do you? Exercise. Exercise. How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise? 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4 week. How often do you exercise? Four times a week. Four times a week. How often do you exercise? Four times a week. Four times a week. Next. How often do you? What is this? How often do you? Eat fast food. Eat fast food. How often do you eat fast food? How often do you eat fast food? 1 week. 1 week. How often do you eat fast food? Once a week. Once a week. How often do you eat fast food? Once a week. Next. How often do you? What is this? How often do you? Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. How often do you eat breakfast? How often do you eat breakfast? How often do you eat breakfast? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. How often do you eat breakfast? Five times a week. 5 times a week. How often do you eat breakfast? 5 times a week. Next. How often do you? What is this? How often do you? Play computer games. Play computer games. How often do you play computer games? How often do you play computer games? 1, 2, 3. Week. How often do you play computer games? Three times a week. 3 times a week. How often do you play computer games? 3 times a week. Now we will play bingo. Draw 9 squares in your English notebook. Draw 9 squares in your English notebook. Choose 9 sentences. Choose 9 sentences. Write 1 sentence in 1 square. Write 1 sentence in 1 square. Listen carefully. Exercise. Exercise. Once a day. Once a day. Twice a week. Twice a week. 5 times a month. 5 times a month. How often do you eat fast food? How often do you eat fast food? Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. You should wash your hands more often. You should wash your hands more often. I brush my teeth 3 times a day. I brush my teeth 3 times a day. I eat fast food once a week. I eat fast food once a week. I exercise twice a week. I exercise twice a week. I play computer games once a week. I play computer games once a week. I have breakfast twice a week. I have breakfast twice a week. You should eat breakfast more often. You should eat breakfast more often. I wash my hands 5 times a day. I wash my hands 5 times a day. How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise? Okay, let's begin. I will choose a number. Listen carefully. Brush your teeth. Draw an X if you have this sentence. Brush your teeth. Now I'll show you the sentence. Brush your teeth. Now number 13. You should eat breakfast more often. You should eat breakfast more often. I will show you the sentence now. You should eat breakfast more often. Draw an X if you have this sentence. Four. 5 times a month. 5 times a month. 5 times a month. 5 times a month. Okay, next one. 12. How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise? Draw an X. How often do you exercise? I wash my hands 5 times a day. I wash my hands 5 times a day. I wash my hands 5 times a day. Okay. Next, number 2. How often do you eat fast food? How often do you eat fast food? Draw an X if you have the sentence. How often do you eat fast food? Okay, next, number 8. I exercise twice a week. I exercise twice a week. I exercise twice a week. Okay, next, number 10. I eat fast food once a week. I eat fast food once a week. Okay, ready? I eat fast food once a week. Okay, next, number 14. I have breakfast twice a week. I have breakfast twice a week. Draw an X if you have the sentence. Ready? I have breakfast twice a week. Okay, next, number 1. You should wash your hands more often. You should wash your hands more often. Wash your hands. Okay. You should wash your hands more often. Okay, next, number 5. Exercise. Exercise. Ready? Exercise. Okay, next, number 11. Once a day. Once a day. One more time. Once a day. Okay? Once a day. Once a day. Okay, next, number 7. I brush my teeth 3 times a day. I brush my teeth 3 times a day. Draw an X. Ready? I brush my teeth 3 times a day. I brush my teeth 3 times a day. Okay, next, number 16. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Okay? Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Okay, next, number 3. Twice a week. Twice a week. Okay? Twice a week. Twice a week. Okay, last, number 9. I play computer games once a week. I play computer games once a week. Okay? I play computer games once a week. I play computer games once a week. Okay. Did you win? Good job. See you next time. Bye.